Right, here we are on the old railway line. To Coniston. A bit muddy. Needs a bit of landscaping. If you want to carry on, go down there to Torver and back up to the line. Bit of a diversion. A bit dangerous. Line bends. It's a long time since we've been up here. 1990s. When you have to work. Keep yourself busy. See a lot of blackbirds up here. Something I've noticed over the years is the ivy needs cutting down. Kills the trees off. Sheep farmer. And let me tell you a story about the family. When my dad was a lad with his mates, he used to go up climbing on Dow Crag. And when they saw the last train coming up the line, packed up and rushed all the way back down to the station to catch the last train. And the other story he told me, when he'd courted me mum, he took her up for Dow Crag, came back down and missed the train. So they both had to walk back to Askham, where my mum was staying, 4-hour walk. That was the first and last time she walked with our dad. Coming up to the church. Too young to remember this line. Where my dad used to take us up Coniston Old Railway. There's a path down somewhere. Hopefully I can find it. Well, next time I go for a walk up, see the pudding stone in the Boulder Valley. You notice a lot of landscaping now. Here we are, the ship. Ah, that's the path. That's the path. Could be coming down that way. Mention in the song used to be a Harry's pub. Right. There's a few pints in there. Used to meet up with some friends from Coniston. Not seen them there since school days. Ted Coward, former electrician, lived up here. I think he's passed away now. Campsite down there. Oh, railway walks. Something that started in the 90s, late 90s. Now you see it on TV. Little school down there. A lot of school kids from Wolfson go to that school. Here we are, coming into the station, nearly at the end of the line. Someone has to keep this bridge under repair. Now somewhere along here there's a hole, and last time I saw was a blackbird nesting in that hole. Could be in this wall. I don't know, somewhere there. Head height. One brave blackbird. Here we have it. New houses built in the 70s. When was the last time I filmed this? Was it early this year? Been up there. See that path? I've got some trees up there, that's going to make it more difficult. Can you remember the railway station here and all the sheds for the coaches? And here we have the famous Mountain Rescue Centre. As seen on TV, on the BBC. '89. James Cameron. Ooh, this is far I can go. £5 for 2 hours. and you wonder why I don't park here. So there you go. Welcome to Coniston. So that's your Unions, and that's your Shillot, and that's the old railway line. Over and out.